Alright mga kamaski, because my luggage is broken, look at this. Oh my gosh. See that? It's broken already, zipper. I'm going home, and then so the solution for this one, we have to make a needle DIY needle on board the cruise ship, guys. So right, so yun lang ating paraan para kasi manghirap dito. It's very hard to find the needle on board, you know, for sewing. Yeah. So yun na guys, oh, nakadalawang ikot na tayo. Diba? Hello KMV Maski BTV, welcome back to my channel. So our topic for today guys is how to make a homemade needle using the paper clip, right? So here we go, our materials to be used. Paper clip, right? So this is the wire that we are going to use because of my luggage is broken. All right, so using this drill bit, small drill bit, the handrails, the flat file, and the cutter plier, and of course the hammer. So we have paper clip, the drill bit, small drill bit, and all those things that need to be used. Alright, let's get started. So alright guys, all you have to do is to make it straight, this paper clip, yeah, and then once it's already straight, okay, so right, so once it's already straight, all you have to do is to cut on this part, yeah. Alright, so okay, and then once it's already straight, all you have to do is to use the flat file to make it sharp, this on the needle, on the edge, on the other edge of this paper clip, until it became very sharp. Right, and then once it's already sharp, so the other part, the other side of this paper clip, is you have to do it with the hammer, guys. Slowly. Right guys, so once it's already flattened, see, as you can see, it's a little bit flat already, a little bit more. All you have to do is to make a hole on this part using this drill bit, that this drill bit to our heavy duty right. So when it's flattened already, you have to be very careful because it's already sharp. the other edge of this, and then you make it a hole on this side part, right?
This announcement is for drill and crew purposes only.
Sasalita. Alright guys, so you have to make a hole using your drill bit. Alright, so it's already done. As you can see, it already has a hole. Perfect. So you don't have to worry your luggage now. So if you are OFW, you have to make as simply as this one. If you don't have needle, so do it your luggage. So we can put it now, this string, like a sinolid guys, but this one is wire, so it's perfectly to put it here on the hole. See that? It's already go inside, right? So it went through. Wow. And this side is already sharp, so you can see. Yan. So yun mga kamaski, sa Tagalog ay gamit lang ating paper clip, plier, tsaka yung small wire natin dahil nasa technical tayo, wala tayong sinulid dahil sira yung ating luggage. Yes, my luggage is broken, so we have to use this one. This is the way I have to do my luggage now. O diba? May bago tayong idea kay MV Musky BTV. Alright, so gagawa tayo ngayon ng sariling sikap na needle. Right, so by the way guys, still can close this zipper. The only thing is in this side is broken already. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we have to lock this part. In the zipper is here, so we have to lock this part like that, and then we have to terminate this side permanently close. Alright guys, ayos yung ano natin, yeah? Very good yung ating DIY, diba? See, very nice. Zipper guys inside, so we have to condemn this one temporarily, yeah, kasi para magamit natin so that we can use, right? It's very good. See, so this side part until here only, the zipper until here only, right? Ayos, 2 thumbs up. So napakaganda ng ating ginawang DIY na needle guys, yeah, for OFW.